What is up, everyone? Today I will be showing you how to create a simulator game in Roblox Studio Part 1. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, we need to make leader stats. So add in a script into script service, call it leader stats, make sure it's spelt like this, then copy the name because we'll be using it a couple times. Alright, remove print hello world and do game.players.player added :connect function. Then remove the close bracket and add two brackets. Then inside of those, put in player or PLR. So then do local leader stats equals to instance.new folder. And then comma player. If I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video. Alright, go down line and do leader stats dot name equals to speech marks leader stats. Then go down 2 lines and do local, and then basically just put in whatever your main idea is going to be. So let's just say mine's going to be I don't know, lifting simulator. So I'll just do strength. And then we'll do equals to instance.new bracket speech marks int value, comma leader stats. And then now we can do strength dot name equals to speech marks strength. Then we'll do strength dot value equals to 0. Boom. Now you might have already noticed why there is no strength dot parent. Well, that's exactly what this comma leader stats is. This basically puts the int value inside of the folder. Alright, so that's all we need to do right now. So we'll just close it off. Alright, now we need to make our tool. So I'm not going to do anything hard. I'll just add in a cylinder and I'll make it just the same color, and I'll also extend it. Alright, now you need to make sure you rename this to handle. Then you want to add in a tool into workspace and then call it whatever you want. Mine's just going to be weight. Alright, then get your handle, put it inside of the weight, and then put the weight inside of the starter pack. Boom! Now, as you can see, when we click play, don't mind my avatar. So as you can see, our leader stats work. And when we click the weight, it comes up. Boom! That's how you make the weight come up in your inventory. No, I guess. But alright, now we need to add in a remote event inside of the replicated storage, and then we'll rename it to lift. Alright, now we can add in a local script inside the weight tool. Alright, so now we can do local rm for remote event equals to game.replicatorstorage.remote event .left. Alright, so we can do script.parent.activated :connect function, 2 brackets. You don't have to put anything in them. Now, all we need to do is rm : fire server, 2 brackets, and then put a 1 inside of the 2 brackets instead of adding it in the other script. Alright, so now once we've got that, we need to go back to our leader stats script, and you know what? I'm going to rename this to player stats. Player stats, I guess. I don't know. It's basically the same. But outside of the game.players, the leader stats event, we'll do local rm equals to game.replicatedStorage.lift. Then we'll do rm.onServerEvent connect function. Inside of those two brackets, you've got to put player, then comma, then reward. So we're just getting the player, and we're getting the reward, which is the 1 here. Alright. Now we do player dot leader stats dot strength dot value plus equals to reward. Boom. So when we load in, as you can see, our leader stats work, our weight works, and we click, we get 1 strength. That's how you make a working simulator. Now, as you can see, I can spam it and it gives me a bunch. So in part 2, funny number. So in part 2, we are going to be making a cooldown. So when you click, so you can't spam. You've got to wait like a second. And then we will also be making another weight that you need a certain amount of strength to get. Thanks for watching. I'll probably post part 2 either tomorrow or sometime today in the afternoon. Or it already is afternoon, but still. Yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure you watch part 2. It would be on the screen. If it isn't, then you just wait for it, I guess. Alright, see you guys.